homie Sergio said he has a surprise. Sheesh, dang. Dude, this is sick. Dang. I had to, it'll be a little flashy with those headlights. Check it out. Oh, that would look so nice in the driveway. Dang. All right, see the bright blue brake calipers? Oh man, this is freaking nice. Too nice. Dang. Congratulations, sir. Yeah. Finally into the, I welcome you into the Mustang community, the dark side. This guy's been like Mopar for life, and then randomly got a Supra, and then like let go of the Supra, and then he's like, I'll just put an order in for this baby right here. Dang, dude. The freaking brakes on this thing are crazy. Those are huge, dude. Those are the 6-piston? Yeah. Those things are crazy. What color is this?
Vapor blue.
Vapor blue?
With grapple blue.
Dude. Ah, just speechless, man. This is badass.
Night pony package, so all the badges.
Like, blacked out?
Yeah. Even the roof is blacked
Dude,
out.
I like high-key like the stripes. Like, I really do like the stripes. Like,
yeah.
I've never seen something like this, but it goes really well with the Mustang. Dang, dude. You did so everything's custom, like to your liking, like you built it. Ah, the seats. Oh, dude. Can I see it? Yeah. God. Oh, there's no buttons on this thing. Oh, yeah, there is. Oh, the new smell. Dang. Is this touchscreen too, or that's just a screen?
I think it's just a screen.
Just a screen. Oh my god, dude, this thing is beautiful. Alright guys, we are trading in the truck, we're trading in the car, we're trading in the house, and we have a 2024 Mustang coming soon to the channel. The what?
Like the home button is right there on the top left.
What do you mean? Oh, this one?
Yeah. Like if you click on the pony right there, on the bottom, like the button.
Where?
Right there in the bottom.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you can customize like the...
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so freaking nice. Dang. The seats, bro. The seats. Like, I would have gone with this color too. It's just so nice. Dude, it's about time like Ford really outdo themselves with like the interior. See. Like, this is like, I feel like this is quality compared to what we've like been given before. This is quality right here.
See.
Like, let's go all out with this thing. Oh, even the matching seat belts.
See.
You went all out, dude. This is freaking nice.
The only thing I didn't get is the GT performance package, but there was another extra.
Which is what though?
Huh?
Which is what? Like, what's the GT performance?
It comes with the GT performance thing. It comes with quad tips, active exhaust.
Okay.
And the Ricardo seats.
Ricardo.
Yeah, I like the top part.
Dude. Dang. I mean, I think there's a lot of hate with it, saying that it looks like a Camaro, but I don't know. This is just things. I think it's amazing. I have nothing to complain about. I'm not gonna compare it to Camaro. Like, it's just, to me, it's just a perfect build. Easter egg? Oh, okay, that's badass. Like all the generations.
Yeah.
Dude, I think they did it. Like, I think this is, in my opinion, like they really outdid themselves with this one. Stock growl. Oh yeah.
The last muscle car in the world in 2024.
That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. I hope I can get myself into one of these. I think this is the color. I see in your color. I think this is it. I wanted to get another like red, ruby red, but I think this color just it's beautiful.
It's unique.
Nice.
To the year model too.
It kind of has a like this thing look to it like the Dark Horse.
Sí.
Like, in a way, the Dark Horse has that like the purplish tint in there.
Sí.
I feel like it kind of looks like that one. So what are the mods that you have planned so far? So I know this guy. This guy's gonna like give it a month, guys. He's gonna have a mod, like a minimum one mod, not including like the basic tint stuff. Like,
have you already seen the hood yet?
No, like this guy's already gonna get a mod. I know that for sure. Like, no doubt. Giving you guys some OnlyFans content right there. It's too new. It's too new. This guy doesn't know how to open up the trunk. I mean, it's usually down here. It's right.
Like that.
Yeah. All right. Watch it be an EcoBoost under the hood.
I know.
This guy's about to steal all the girls around town. Dude, I think I saw you, but like I didn't know it was you. I just saw the Mustang. I think I was in the truck, and I was like, "Oh, badass! Somebody already got one here locally." But I think it was you. Dude, imagine just 2 intakes like right there.
That's the plan, right?
Dude. I know this guy's gonna go full bolt-on. Headers, tune, all that stuff, man. That's gonna be crazy. Y'all, hopefully we can see the transformation on the channel, guys. Like, I know Sergio, he, no doubt. That's badass, dude. Now you gotta wait the 500 miles to break in the engine.
1,000.
1,000?
I'm already at 150 right now.
Let's go to San Antonio and back.
I know. I went to Brownsville last night.
Why? Just
I went with Johnny for
photo shoot or what? Okay. I see.
go back to normal.
Okay, that's badass, dude.
So that's normal.
I think like everything you could ask for, like they just threw it in here.
Sport. Autonomous track. So you got calm.
Not too boring.
You got the Fox.
I saw that one like online. Would you even use those?
No. So far, I've just been using normal because it's basic. Like, you know, you get your speed limit. You get like, it's got lane assist, and it's also got adaptive cruise control. So the car basically drives for itself.
Dang, dude. Who needs Teslas?
Right. And you can.
Dude, I like how it's smooth. Like the touchscreen is actually smooth. Dang, that's badass. That's badass.
Change it here.
So like it has ambient lighting everywhere and stuff?
Yeah.
That's badass.
Aquí tienes los sport modes.
Have you driven already sport?
Nah, I'm gonna wait.
It's badass, dude. So like if you would have gotten a red one, like the car would have been red, like on the screen, or you can change the color of your car.
Yeah, you can change it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's right here in my color.
I wonder, like, since this is all electronic, like, will people make like downloadable stuff or like hack the gauges? I mean, I don't know. I think it's possible, right? I don't know. That'd be cool. Like add themes and stuff like that. It's crazy, dude. All right, guys, want to go for a little quick test drive? And I would probably ask you, can I take it around the block? But I have this thing, guys, where like I won't drive a car like that. I won't drive a car that I want because I'm gonna own it one day. So if I'm gonna drive it, it's because it's gonna be mine. Like that's why. Like I won't drive a Corvette because
you're gonna want one.
Because I'm gonna not because I'm gonna want one, because I'm gonna own one day. Like that's why. Like when I first got my Mustang, I didn't drive anybody else's Mustang until I said until I buy mine, and it'll be mine. So I don't even want to ask, can I take it to, like nothing. No, like I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna drive my own 2024, guys. My own 650.
I would have gone a Corvette, but I just don't fit in it because I'm fat.
No, you're bulking. You're thick. You're thick.
So if not, probably would have gone a Z06. But I honestly, I'm more of a sucker for like technology, like for interior wise.
Oh yeah.
So
easy.
Corvette is still stuck in the early 2000s with the
even
interior.
the C8s.
Yeah. No, the C8s they did update it, but the C8s are just like super overpriced right now.
Oh yeah, freaking used ones are like 80, 90K.
See.
I say you order a pair of bags already and just a pair of long tubes and just do it. Be the first 2024.
I know, and I want to get a wrap too. Be like the first SX50 to get wrapped. But
like, this color is just nice. The color is badass. How do you feel?
It's not good bad.
Is it worth getting a Mustang now?
Yeah.
How do you like this or your Charger now?
I like this way better.
So we like to hear.
Dodge can ever.
Okay, so now another thing. You're used to freaking swapping cars every like 2 years. Like this can literally.
Nah, this one for sure.
That's it.
Yeah.
Like at least for over 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
Until probably the 750 comes out.
I actually do plan to want to keep it just because this is actually an interior that I could like love forever. I mainly got rid of the Charger because I just got like frustrated with like just a simple basic cluster and interior. Like with Dodge, it was like your cheap plastic everywhere.
Yeah.
And like I had basic interior.
Shout out to Coffee.
And I just got annoyed by it, and this time I said like I'm gonna go all out. Red interior, full digital cluster and everything. And I didn't even know this car had like all these features like lane assist.
Yeah.
And like adaptive cruise control. Like I only got the premium just because of the cooled seats. And then,
oh, it has cool seats too?
Yeah.
Oh, especially here in Texas, you're gonna.
See, and I only got it because of that, and then I have like all these.
Oh shit, you have it on, right?
See.
Dude. That's I feel it. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Like, I guess you see the little holes here, the perforated holes. Like, if you put your hand in there, it feels like when you're playing that air hockey.
See.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
This is crazy. And the guys, like, look, it's already 7:30. The sun's already like just sunset hour, and it's 95 degrees outside. Like here in Texas, South Texas, guys, like on a daily basis, it's 100. On Christmas, it's like 99.
Yeah.
Dude. So this thing doesn't have open exhaust, right?
No.
Okay. It just feels so
Yeah,
comfortable.
yeah.
I don't even think like I would want to throw in springs. Like this is just something like comfy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's badass.
Yeah, and I'll show you right now the adaptive cruise control.
Adaptive cruise control?
Yeah. So like the car drives itself. So like let's say I have it on cruise control, and then like it's approaching this car. So the car will start slowing down on its own.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah,
and then like when like I'm doing turns or anything, the car does it all by itself. I just gotta have my hands on it.